Hello everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today, as you guys can see for the title, we're doing our next update of our Panners in Cream project pan. Now this is Sunday. I normally do not upload on Sunday, especially my project pans, but because it fell on a Sunday and my schedule has been a little bit, here and there due to the fact that we're still at home with their homeschooling, I decided to do the update on the day that it was due instead of doing it tomorrow. So before I get into the update, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash of project pan. That is something that interests you. Subscribe, join us. And now without further ado, let's get on with the update. Now I'm sure you guys know by now this is a collaboration project pan. There is a bunch of us doing this. Everything will be linked down in the description box as every other update has been. So I have my 5 products here that I have chosen. As you guys know, we have rolled out a few products, rolled in some new, and I have some updates for you guys on this time around. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get started on whichever one is next. So let's start out with our NARS blush. This is the Orgasm Liquid Blush. When we first started, this was completely brand new, and now we are right there, you guys. As you guys know from my previous one that I have been using, which was the Dulce Vita, I use this on a regular basis. I use this almost every single day with my makeup, and this has been such a different change from the Dulce Vita. Dulce Vita was a lot more deeper, a lot more burgundy, so I had to be careful with it because it was so much more pigmented. And this one is so light and airy and fresh and springy. It works perfectly for this time of year. It doesn't look as potent on my skin as if I was fair tone or porcelain. I think this would look beautiful, but for mine right now it's okay. If I have a tan, this would not look good for me. This is very bubblegum-ish, kind of pinky on my cheeks, but it does look really nice whenever I pair a blush on top of it. So this is what I'm wearing. I would definitely do that whole draping blush look with this one because I think it would look very natural if you had freckles. Again, if you have porcelain or a very fair skin tone, I think this would look amazing on your skin tone. I've been enjoying it. I love the formula. At first it looked like it was kind of drying up, but then as I worked the product in, I kept pumping it more every day. The product is working well. So as you guys know, my goal is just to use as much as I can. If I was able to use half the bottle in my Dulce Vita, that's what I plan on doing as my goal for this time around. So we're doing good. We're going to continue to keep using it every day. I know that my makeup application has been hindering for about the last 2.5 weeks, mainly because I've been having allergies. Not so much because I've been home or quarantined. It's because I have allergies and I've already had my hay fever attack, which I have once every time. It's the month of May that really affects me, and if you guys can hear me nasally, I just had it this past week. And by the way, happy Mother's Day. Today is Mother's Day. I completely forgot about that. It is Mother's Day. I'm probably hanging around at home doing absolutely nothing because there's nothing open or to do. All right, so let's move on to the next product that I have. It is the Tatcha, the serum stick. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I actually forgot about this product for about a good solid week. Again, because of my allergies, I was trying to avoid anything on my skin, even my skincare, because I felt like some of my skincare products would attract the pollen and stick to my face if I did step out or go outside for any reason. So I was avoiding some of my skincare products, and this one's honestly, I just forgot. You guys can see from the tally that I did get some use out of it. This is it completely rolled up. I don't have much left. I can almost guarantee you guys that this will be done next month. I should have had this done already this time around, but again, this time of year, it is the worst time for me to wear makeup because my eyes are super itchy. My face is really irritating. My nose is very dry right now. Like any little thing that touches my face, I'm itchy and bothered. So I try to just let it go, calm down for a good 2.5 weeks. We're getting towards the end of it for me where I can control it and be okay with it. So I think I will be done this the next month. I promise you guys. If not, I'm going to kick myself in the rear end because it's so easy to use up, and I definitely should finish this up. Moving on to my little illuminating stick. This is the Laura Geller Easy Illuminating Stick. If you guys saw from the last update, I rolled this in. This was a new product. I rolled it in. I'll show you up on the tallies. It was completely brand new. And now as you guys can see, this is completely rolled up and I barely have anything. I probably have, it's a super little hill right there. I probably have a good 2 uses before I hit the plastic. I know I will be done this way before the next update. So I'm gonna call this quits, but I'm gonna dig it out. I've dug out the last 2 and I've got a good week and a half worth of product in there to use up, but I'm still gonna have a good 2 weeks that I'm not gonna have anything to use. So I am gonna roll something in alongside this one. I will finish this one up, but I am calling it done just for this update so I can roll something else in to be able to continue the progress of using my cream products up. So technically we're gonna call this one done. Now for the last two products, this one is the Annabelle Big Show Lip Gloss in Rose Gold. This has been here since day one. As you guys can see, there is open windows there. I've been scraping the walls of this, and if you guys can see it as I scrape, I am just grabbing what I can and using it. I am wearing today on top of my lipstick today. I really do like this. I think it looks a lot better when I have a full face of makeup on and just this on, or on top of a lip product. With a bare face and just this looks so rose gold on my lips. I don't like it, but it is a beautiful formula. I told you guys this will probably be another 2 months. I think it might be a little bit longer than that. I'm not going to take out the stopper. I'm going to scrape as much as I can out of it. And then when I can't get anything else on the wand, that's when I'm going to call it quits. So this might be here for another 2 months. So an additional month than what I predicted, but that's okay because I am enjoying it. And it doesn't hinder or affect any of my lip products that I use. So I can always put it on top of anything and even a lip liner. So I am going to continue to use it. It is still in the actual project pan, but you guys can see that I have done a nice job on this product. The last but not least is I let you guys choose which lip gloss was going to be the next thing that I will be panning. It was between the Lorac Nude Lip one or the Kat Von D one, and you guys decided to do the Kat Von D. So we are right here, you guys, and I will mark it because I forgot to mark it, but I haven't even touched this since I rolled it in from last month, solely because I've been trying to work on this one. Now that we're getting into the warmer months, I think I will be using this one more. I'm going to use both of these intermittently, depending on what my thoughts are, my feelings of that day, what makeup I'm wearing, but I will want to get more progress on it. But that's where we are right now. So you guys can see there is some progress in it, and it is clear, so you will see when I get more use out of it. So I haven't touched it, but it will be touched going forward, I promise. Now the one product that I am gonna roll in, solely because we're calling this one quits, even though I'm not officially done with this one, is this. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid in Opal. This is brand new. I have never opened this up, but this I thought would be perfect to go along with this product. Since I don't have much of this one and this one doesn't have much of it, this should be almost done by the time my next update comes up. If not, I will be bringing something else in to go along with it because I don't think this is going to last me that long. I've used these in the past, even bigger one, and it didn't last me that long because I use it all over my face, but I think this is such a wonderful product. I love this to mix with foundations. I think this is one of the best things to mix with foundations if you want that glow within, but don't want to spend an arm and a leg on a primer, and you want something that you can multitask. You could put this in lotions on your body. You could put this all over your face, mixing it with foundations, primers, highlighting, different things, mixing it with blushes, cream blushes, and putting it on your cheeks. I think it is such a beautiful formula, a great product to multitask in many ways. So I really am a fan of this. So I'm going to enjoy this. So once I'm done with this one, this is what's going to be replacing it. And then next month, we'll decide whether I still need to keep this in or add my new product in. So there you guys have it. Those are my 5 products that I'm continuing to use up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, mom figures, dog moms, moms to be, everything. My thoughts are out there with you in every situation that you have. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel. I will put more videos right over here for your enjoyment. Until then, bye guys.